So we're looking at some code in the Mu editor, and if you're observant, you'll notice that it says that it's a NeoPixel twinkler. We've landed rather a number of updates into MicroPython this evening, including a NeoPixel driver, gestures, and other interesting things. And this is just me experimenting with these new features in MicroPython. So what are NeoPixels, I hear you ask? Well, NeoPixels are LEDs that can be changed to any value of red, green, blue. So they can be all sorts of different colors. And you can get them in strips like this, or you can get them in pads as well. And they're a lot of fun. Just think sort of Christmas lights on steroids. And I've attached some to my microbit here. And I've created my code here in Mu. As you can see, I've also been doing some experimenting in the REPL down here to make sure that everything works properly. And so I'm going to click Flash, and my code's been copied over to the microbit. And we should see in a second, once it's done, that we do indeed get twinkly lights, which is all very Christmassy. I'm a few weeks late, but I've allowed you to control these lights. So if you press the A button, it slows down the rate of change, and if you press the B button, it speeds it back up again. Let me just slow it down, because if I press A and B together, it resets them to where they were. And because we have gestures involved, if I shake the device, if I shake the microbit, it should reset the NeoPixel strip for 1 second and then start again. So let's see if I can make it shake without getting the crocodile pins to fall off. Yay, that worked. Okay, so this has been rather a lot of fun to program, and it's not that many lines of code. When I did a count, let's have a look. How many lines of code have we got here? Down to the bottom, 73, and most of those, as you can see, are actually comments, because I want to use this little project in a lesson plan I'd like to write this weekend. So there you go, blinking lights on steroids for the BBC microbit using MicroPython.